Find the mistake in the sentence. Tom went to school despite of having a fever. Tom went to school despite having a fever. I haven't seen James since 2 years. I haven't seen James for 2 years. John is busy at the work, so he can't make it on time. John is busy at work, so he can't make it on time. Our English teacher is giving us too much tasks. Our English teacher is giving us too many tasks. Do not advise her, she won't listen. Do not advise her, she won't listen. My sister cooks rice yesterday. My sister cooked rice yesterday. William is brave than his friends. William is braver than his friends. The man's bag was lost in the bus. The man's bag was lost in the bus. The girl studied when her father came home from work. The girl was studying when her father came home from work. Do he have any idea where he is going? Does he have any idea where he is going? They has a party planned for Peter. They have a party planned for Peter. Have you ever been to London? Have you ever been to London? The shepherd took his sheep to the field. The shepherd took his sheep to the field. I prefer chocolate milkshake than vanilla ice cream. I prefer a chocolate milkshake to vanilla ice cream. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.